Hello everyone, my name is Siddhant Verma and the topic of my individual assignment is Universal Basic Income. The unprecedented pandemic has changed the way we work and the way we interact. We have disruptive technologies all around ourselves that have made our lives simpler, but leveraging such technologies definitely come at a price, and not everyone and every country can afford it. Issues like economic inequality and unemployment still exist in most of the developing nations. India is definitely one of the fastest growing economies of the world, but it is still considered as one of the most unequal ones. According to a data from year 2017, the top 10% of the Indian population holds 77% of the total wealth. Surprisingly, 73% of the wealth generated in that year went to 1% richest stream, while 6.7 crore people saw close to 1% increase in their wealth. The stark difference which is growing between urban and rural India is worrisome. India is a country where 90% of the total workforce resides in the informal sector with no fixed wage, and the pandemic has yet again sparked the unemployment rate, with millions still struggling to find livelihood. India currently spends close to rupees 9 lakh crore in various welfare schemes. Most of these schemes are heavily corrupt, where the middlemen end up lining their pockets, and the past has shown how leaky these schemes can be. That is one of the reasons why India still has the largest number of poor people in the world, and the number tolls to around 36 crore. As per Niti Aayog's report of 2018, the number has gone up again, and the COVID pandemic has further put pressure on the poor segment. In order to deal with such inequality and poverty, many think of universal basic income as a feasible solution. UBI in simplest term means providing an unconditional fixed amount to every citizen of the country. The idea has recently gained momentum in many parts of the world, including nations like the USA and Kenya, where pilot UBI projects have turned out successful. In my opinion, instead of spending huge chunks of money in inefficient schemes, a better approach would be adopting universal basic income, which is also considered as an effective tool to eradicate poverty in the modern age. Not only that, the idea is backed by giant tech leaders like Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk. Believers in UBI also feel it would be easier for people to receive assistance with the monthly income they get. A basic example of universal basic income can be the coronavirus aid relief that was given by the USA, providing a one-time payment of $1,200 for people who qualify for the scheme. Universal basic income can become a real and effective policy consideration for India. It was first featured in the annual economic survey of 2017. I also feel it will benefit the informal sector that receives no monetary benefits or pension and has zero access to retirement benefits. Not only that, it will also empower the women of the nation and help them gain financial independence, which would further reduce gender inequality of our country. There are definitely some concerns regarding universal basic income, like conspicuous spendings, especially in males who do unnecessary expenditures on drugs. For a country like India that spends close to 5.2% of its GDP on some 950 schemes, a basic income offers a new and effective way forward. Universal basic income, if implemented properly in India, can ensure an unconditional and fair subsidy to all Indians. Thank you.